In this video, I will go over the scoring for Domain 3, which includes deliberate practice. This year, Domain 3 will be scored and included as a 15% additive to the status score, which is Domains 1, 2, and 4. There will be an additional element added to Domain 3 that scores the level at which the teacher attains his or her goal on the targeted element in their deliberate practice, using the scale below. All elements in Domain 3 will be scored using a score from 0, not using, to 4, innovating. All elements, including the new element, will be averaged together to come up with the overall Domain 3 score. The overall Domain 3 score will be multiplied by 15%, and this amount will be added to the status score, Domains 1, 2, and 4 observations. Here's the Domain 3 new element scale. To receive a score of 4, innovating, a teacher improves 3 levels on his or her targeted element, or when a teacher improves from applying to innovating on his or her targeted element. A score of 3, applying, is received when a teacher improves 2 levels on his or her targeted element, or when a teacher improves from developing to applying on his or her targeted element. A score of 2, developing needs improvement, is received when a teacher improves 1 level on his or her targeted element. A score of 1, beginning, is received when a teacher does not improve on his or her targeted element. A score of 0, not using, is received when a teacher does not complete a deliberate practice plan. Let's do an example of how the scoring in Domain 3 will work. Let's assume I received a score of 3 on elements 50, 51, and 52. On element 53, I also received a 3. On 54, I received a 4, innovative, because I led several PLC groups in frequent monitoring of progress relative to the professional growth plan. My administrator saw me as a leader because I took the initiative to lead these PLC groups. On M54B, the new element, I also received a 4 because I attained my goal from going up 3 levels from my self-assessment to my observation scores. From here, I will add up all of the numbers together. So I received a total of 20 points. I would then divide that 20 points by the 6 elements, and that would give me an average score of 3.33. Then I would multiply the 3.33 times 15% to get a 0.4995, which would be rounded to a 0.5. This 0.5 would then be added to my status score to equal my entire instructional practice score. This instructional practice score makes up 65% of my overall evaluation. If you have any questions on the scoring for Domain 3, please see your supervising administrator. Thank you for your time and have a great school year.